these 7 states are on the northeast part. Okay, they are on the northeast part of the India. And even and the states, they are isolated territories. Isolated territories means what? They are separated. They are separated from our India, and they have joined with the one state that is a small Sikkim. Okay, but with these 7 sisters, it means these 7 states, they are continuously, they are connected to the each other, and these states are famous for their beauty, natural beauty, traditional jewelries, various means beautiful flowers, and the wild animals. Even in rest part of the country, we cannot see such kind of animals, but we can see such a natural beauty in these 7 states of India. A nature lover, they have designed whole area one of the world's biodiversity hotspots. And now we are going to learn about it. And our first state is the Arunachal Pradesh. Among 7 sisters, first state is the Arunachal Pradesh. So what is Arunachal Pradesh? This Arunachal Pradesh, it is known as the land of the rising sun. Land of the rising sun means the land of the early morning light. Okay, means here there we can see the first sunrise in our country. So that's why it is called as the land of the rising sun. And this, in this state, people are so simple and they are hospitable. Hospitable मतलब वो hospital नहीं जहाँ पे nurses रहती है, doctors रहते हैं. Not that. Hospitable means they, see in this picture, I'll show you the hospitable. Hospitable means they give a proper treatment to the people. Suppose if any guest comes to your house, and how you treat them, you give a glass of water, then you offer a drink or tea, or you offer any soft drink. Okay, then like you take care of them, you make them comfortable. All these activity comes in a hospitable. So this Arunachal Pradesh peoples, they are so simple and hospitable, and they belong in the peoples of the Arunachal Pradesh. They belongs to various tribes. Tribes means what? The people welcome, basically tribes are the people, just like a casteism, this tribes, and they speak their own language. Just like suppose a Gujarati speaks their own language and the Rajasthani speaks their own language. In the same way, there are various tribes. Tribes means a group of people. Okay, they're living together. That kind of tribes, they have their own language. Okay, then the diet. Diet means what? They are largely made up of, means mostly in their diet, they have only rice and fish, meat and various green vegetable. And even, I guess most of the students, you like to eat the momos. The momos are the famous dish of the Arunachal Pradesh. And mostly the momos are veg also and non-veg also. These momos are famous of Arunachal Pradesh. Okay. And then in Arunachal Pradesh, if you visit, students, if you visit the Arunachal Pradesh, you will see this land. It's spotted with the various monasteries. Monasteries means where the Buddhist people lives. Where the Buddhist people live. Okay, and the lush green forests, lakes, waterfalls, and deep river valleys, and even the limestone cave. The name of that cave is a Tapaneru, and forest reserves. That means if you will see it, you can see n number of forest reserves. You can see monasteries, okay, and the limestone cave. Which are that limestone cave is the Tapaneru. That is Tapenu. That is Tapaneru. This is the limestone cave and various kind of the forest reserve also. And in the Arunachal Pradesh, students, 400-year-old Buddhist monasteries at Tuang, and even they enjoyed a cultural festival of Zairo. Which? Zairo. Okay. So if anyone asks that in Arunachal Pradesh, which is a famous point, the famous point is that 400 years old Buddhist monastery. And where was that? And that monasteries at the Tuang, and even they enjoy cultural festivals also at Zairo. And even if we try to visit Arunachal Pradesh, we are not supposed to miss the Namadappa Tiger Project. Which one? Namadappa Tiger Project. And even we can visit in Arunachal Pradesh, there are various wildlife sanctuaries, national parks are also there. And even student in India, first orchid sanctuary. Orchid. What is mean by orchid? So orchid sanctuary are the sanctuary. एक minute. Orchid sanctuary are the sanctuary means where you can see only a plant. Where you can see only a plant. Okay. Fine. India's first orchid sanctuary, if anyone asks. So where it was? It is in Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, students. Then next. Assam. And the capital of Arunachal Pradesh. Can anyone tell me what is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh? Here I have mentioned, here I can see here I have shared you the picture. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is the Itanagar. Very good. I got answer in a chat box. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is the Itanagar. Very good. Now the second state is the Assam. Second state is the Assam. And the capital of the Assam is the Dispur. What is the capital of the Assam? Dispur. Just like Maharashtra, Mumbai in Maharashtra, Mumbai is a capital of our state. In the same way, Dispur is a capital of the Assam. And same, if you will see Assam, okay, Assam is also known as Ahom. Ahom is a group. Means mostly in Assam, you can find the Ahom is a group of the people. It is a name of a tribe. Okay, this Assam is also known as the Ahom. And students, if you will observe this Assam is a beautiful land. It is a beautiful land in between the Brahmaputra river and the Barak river. It is a beautiful land in between these two rivers. So that's why it is known as the gateway Gateway means that through Assam only, you can enter in the 7th state. And enter in the 7 states of our country. So which state is known as the gateway of the 7 states? That name of the state is the Assam. Okay, then you will say, teacher, the place is also from here. No, because here the Bangladesh state is there. See here, total Bangladesh is stated, and we cannot enter Meghalaya. Here our West Bengal is there. West Bengal. We cannot enter in Meghalaya from the Bangladesh. We cannot enter in Tripura from the Bangladesh. We cannot enter Mizoram through Bangladesh. No, if we have, and if we can enter, but we need a visa, passport, so many things. So that's why if we wanted to go to Nagaland, Mizoram, Manipur, Meghalaya, there is only one state, that is Assam. And same as Arunachal Pradesh, these people are so hospitable. Hospitable means they welcome the guests so very nicely, and so diligently they're welcoming their guests. And even this other cuisine, it means the food of our very delicious, with a flavor of aromas and flavors, and even the dance of the Assam, also artistic heritage and the exotic dance, and even the temples. The temples of the Assam are so nicely and elegant, and dance form are also superb. And the rivers, they ensure that because of this, there are various rivers, okay, in Assam. Because of that, the lands are fertile. The lands are fertile, and the orchid, tea estates, and scenic forest and park are also there. If anyone asks that where tea grows, only one state comes in our mind, that is Assam. Even you can see in various advertising also that Assam tea is famous in a worldwide. पूरे world में वो famous है. So it means that here the tea estates are famous, and even the sea. This is a beautiful forest. You also can see even the Kaziranga National Park. Kaziranga National Park, they are the World Heritage Site, and mostly Kaziranga National Park is famous for the rhinoceros, and the Manas National Park is famous for the tiger. This sanctuary, this park is for the Manas National Park is famous for the project based on the tiger project, and Kaziranga is based on the rhinoceros project. And even the landscape is a golden green rice field. Landscape tea estates are also famous. And even student, the Brahmaputra is a name of a river, and it is a lifeline of the Assam. This land is rich in a petroleum. I mean, these are the minerals, petroleum, natural gas, coal, limestone, and other minerals also. And even the silk, Assam silk, are so exquisite. Exquisite means it's so pleasing with the natural colors and design. Matlab normally kapde mostly people loves to purchase dark colors, means bright colors, okay? But the silk of the Assam, they use the natural colors, not a chemical colors, and designs are also good. And even they say Women wave fairy tales on their